Starting a dropshipping business is a great idea in 2022. That's why in this video I'll show you how you can do that. I'll explain everything step by step, so you just make sure to follow me till the end of this video. Before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on and get notified whenever I upload brand new content. Of course, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and check out my other videos as well. Without any further ado, I'm going to start with this video so I can show you everything. I'm going to give you multiple steps so you can set this up in the proper way and start immediately. So the very first step whenever you want to start a dropshipping business is to find a product that you want to sell. The second step is to find a supplier, then to create an online store, and then to promote your product. So I'm going to cover all of these steps today and you can know exactly how to start. So let's just start by finding the product that you can promote. For this purpose, you can just go over to TikTok and you can search for Amazon Finds in the search bar, and you're going to find the viral videos with these products that people are buying and are liking. So you just need to think even of a product that you can buy yourself and that you think that you can create videos with it and so on, and you can just check them out on Google. You can see different suppliers where you can find this kind of products. You can even search for TikTok made me buy it, or even like drop shippers exposed, because there are some TikTokers who want to just show you where these drop shippers are finding different products and are selling it for a higher price. So you can just find different products here, and of course even the supplier that they are getting that product from. And you can even go on Alibaba to see different products that are trending and that you think that people are loving, and check out the ratings and so on. So what I'm going to go for today is like this projector, and you can notice this account here on TikTok that it's selling this projector. It's going to just make you look like you have like a window on the wall, and it looks pretty awesome because they offer different images and videos in that projector, which looks pretty great actually. And you can sell that since a lot of people are loving this kind of product, and you can just go over to Alibaba and search for this kind of projectors and so on. And whenever you're going to find a supplier, you need to just see that it is a verified supplier. You need to check out the on-time delivery rate, which this person has it like 95%, also the store rating and so on. And even for the product, you need to check the ratings and what people are thinking about that product. So once you do that, you can contact the supplier so they can do the shipping to the customer. You're going to tell them that you're going to do drop shipping and so on, and they can ship that product to the customer. So the next step is to just build an online store, and for this purpose you can use Shopify.com. On Shopify you can see that they for the moment offer a free trial for 3 days, which is pretty awesome actually. They do not require the credit card, so you can start without investing money up front, and after that of course you can check out the pricing plans up here to see how much they charge per month. You're going to notice that they offer a plan here for $24 per month, which is not a lot actually. And of course what you can do next is to just list that product here on your online store, and people can buy it whenever they want to go over to your online store and buy something. I want to show you an example on an online store how it can look like. You can just see it's called Galaxy Lamps. They offer like some lamps that make your room look like a galaxy. You can just see that they offer 3 products actually, and you can do the same thing if you want. You can go for one product, or you can just sell different products in one particular niche. For example, you can sell 4 or 5 products that are in the same niche. And the best part about that is that you can create different videos with different products whenever you are going to promote them, because you are going to use TikTok for promoting this kind of products. You're going to notice here also, if you click on one of them, how it looks like. You can see the price, the description, a lot of different photos that they are uploading about it, which look pretty awesome. And if you just scroll down, you're going to see all of the features that they have put for this kind of product, and even the customer reviews, which are very important actually. You put on your product on your store, because people need to see the reviews before buying a product. So you get an idea. You can just create a similar online store, and after that it's time for you to do promotion to your online store. So what you can use, just like I said even before, is TikTok. You can just find the different like accounts here on TikTok that are creating this kind of videos, and you can just recreate some of them. You need to get the product on your own if you want to, so you can create your own videos. You just can create it on your room if you want to, on your wall, and it looks pretty awesome, just like these videos here. And you can do the same thing and hope for the best. Actually, you just need to have like 2 viral videos in order to get a lot of followers as well, and you'll be able to post a link in the bio, because TikTok allows you to post links in the bio once you have reached 1000 of followers. So you can just start using the right hashtags that are making videos viral. You need to use some very viral sounds as well, and so on. You need to be consistent. So there are some things that you need to do in order to get more views and more followers on your TikTok account. So of course you need to wait a little bit once you get those 1000 of followers, and what you can do in the meantime is to even open up different social media accounts on Instagram, for example, and you can just post the same content. Those TikToks that you are going to post on TikTok, you can post them as reels here on Instagram as well, and you can put the link of your online store in the bio of your Instagram page. For example, you're going to just put the name of your online store in all of these different social media accounts that you're going to create. You can start posting even photos of that product, videos, reels, and so on. And you can even use Pinterest if you want to. Pinterest is being used by a lot of people nowadays to promote their products, affiliate links, and so on. And you can do the same thing as well. Create a free account over here, just like on the other social media platforms. And what you can do is basically just start posting the same content, and they allow you, for each pin that you make with a photo, actually they'll allow you to just add a destination link, and this destination link can be the link to your online store, where they can go and they can buy the product that you are going to sell, and there you are putting there as in a photo or in a video and so on, and you can even put it on the description. So this is a nice idea, actually nice strategy that most people are following, and you can do the same thing as well. Just find a product or different products in the same niche that you think that people like, and you can make viral videos with them. After that, you can just go over to Alibaba, find a good supplier that is going to just ship the products over to your customers. You need to of course create an online store, and you can use Shopify for that purpose. And after that, you're going to use social media platforms in order to promote your products, in order to get the most sales. You're going to open a TikTok account, just like the examples that I showed you even before. And if you don't want to create your videos on your own, you can even post some videos from other creators as well. But of course you need to put the credits in the description from where you got that video. So of course you can do this and put the right hashtags and the right sound and so on, in order to be able to get the most people to see your video and also to follow you, and then check out the link in the bio so they can go over to your online store and buy a product that you are selling. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.